Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG countertop ice maker and the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker. We'll explore their features, specifications, and customer feedback to help you decide which one is right for your home or party needs. The SMUG countertop ice maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly. On the other hand, the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker creates chewable nugget ice, perfect for those who enjoy a softer texture in their beverages. This key difference can influence your choice depending on your ice preferences. When it comes to price, the SMUG countertop ice maker is significantly more affordable at $69, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and chewable ice production. Consider your budget when making a decision. In terms of ice production, the SMUG model can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for small gatherings. However, the EUHOMY model excels with a capacity of 34 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. This difference in capacity could be a deciding factor for those who entertain often. In conclusion, both the SMUG and EUHOMY ice makers have their unique advantages. If you prioritize affordability and fast ice production, the SMUG is a fantastic choice. However, if you prefer the chewable nugget ice and can invest a bit more, the EUHOMY is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.